Hi everyone, hope you're all well. I made vegetable stir-fried rice, mixed salad and full chicken charga. I couldn't record when I was marinating it, but I recorded the spices: salt, coriander powder, chilli powder, tikka masala, zeera powder, red chilli powder, black pepper and haldi. I've mentioned the quantities on the side and in the description as well. I've added ginger garlic paste in there, lemon juice and white vinegar. I couldn't record as I told earlier the process of marinating it. I left it to marinate overnight and then I put it in the oven, and I'm gonna show you the end results, how it looked at the end. Be very careful while you're opening the foil because the steam could burn your hand. I left it in the oven for about 1.5 hours at 200 degrees, and this is fully done. But just to give it a color, I'm gonna brush the oil on the top and put it again in the oven for 5 minutes and it'll get the color. Now I'm gonna show you how I made my vegetable stir-fried rice. I boiled the vegetables, the carrots and peas on the side. I've took potatoes. I'm going to stir fry them in oil and salt and black pepper. You can use whatever vegetables you have available. I'm only going to use peas, carrots and potatoes and some fresh green onion. You can also add peppers and cabbage if you like. I've seasoned it with salt, chicken powder and a bit of zeera powder, and I'm going to stir fry it in the same oil, not too much. I'm also going to add some lemon juice, some soy sauce and siracha sauce. You can increase and decrease the quantity according to your taste. I'm making 3 cups of rice, so according to that I'm going to put the sauces and the seasonings. On the side I boiled 3 cups of rice and I've drained the water now. Now when the vegetables are done and the rice are boiled, now I'm going to layer it and mix it in. And the tip is not to overboil your rice, otherwise it will start breaking, and gently give it a mix. And at the end just sprinkle some fresh spring onion. That gives a very nice flavor and color both, and some fresh coriander. This is how the rice looked at the end. You should definitely try it. I made some fresh salad on the side as well. I've used some cucumbers, some tomatoes, fresh lettuce and fresh mint. You can also add whatever seasoning you like for the salad, but I'm going to keep it plain as the chicken is already quite flavorful, and I'm using this fresh mint. It gives very nice flavor, fresh aroma, and it helps in digestion as well. I hope you enjoyed watching this simple and healthy recipe. You should definitely try making this. Thank you for watching. Have a lovely day.